Jake and Jenna English Podcast. Learn English easy and fun for everyone.
Hello, lovely people. I'm Jenna.
And I'm Jake. This is easy English conversation for listening and speaking practice.
In this podcast, you can practice listening and speaking, both in one video. Listen to us first, then speak with Rachel.
Today, we are talking about pets.
Yes, I love this topic. Jake, do you have a pet?
I do, actually. I have a dog. His name is Max, and he's a golden retriever. So, very big, very friendly, basically loves everyone he meets.
Oh, I love golden retrievers. They always seem so gentle.
They really are. He's great with people, kids especially. He just walks up to strangers like they're already his best friend. But he does need a lot of exercise. I take him for a walk every morning and every evening, no matter the weather, rain or sun.
That sounds like a lot of work, honestly.
It is, in a way, but I don't really mind it. Actually, walking him is probably my favorite part of the day. Fresh air, a bit of quiet time, just me and him. No phone, no noise.
That sounds peaceful in its own way. How long have you had him?
About 4 years now. I remember picking him up as a puppy. He could barely walk properly, kept falling over his own legs.
Oh, that's so sweet. Puppies are so clumsy.
So clumsy, yeah. It's strange watching him grow into this big, calm dog now. What about you, Jenna? Do you have a pet too?
I do, yes. I have a cat. Her name is Luna. I got her about 3 years ago when she was just a tiny kitten, small enough to hold in one hand. It's strange, she's much bigger now, but I still think of her as a baby sometimes.
That happens with pets, I think. What is she like? Calm or more active?
She's actually quite calm most of the time. She sleeps a lot, maybe 14 hours a day, which still surprises me even after 3 years.
14 hours, wow. That's more than half the day.
I know, right? But when she is awake, she becomes very playful. She loves small toys, especially ones with feathers. She'll chase them around the living room for ages, and then just stop and fall asleep again.
Sounds like a busy life. Does she sleep with you at night?
She does, actually. Right at the end of the bed, every single night, like it's her spot. If I move her, she just walks right back.
They really do decide these things themselves, don't they?
Completely. We think we own them, but honestly, sometimes it feels the other way around.
That's so true. Jenna, can I ask you something? Why do you think people love having pets so much? Like, what's really behind it?
That's a good question. Let me think for a second. I think it's because pets give us company. We're never really alone when we have a pet, even on a quiet day at home.
That's true. And they don't judge you either. You can talk to them about anything, and they just listen.
Yes, Luna is a great listener. She just doesn't answer back.
Honestly, that's the best kind of listener sometimes.
Exactly. I also think pets teach us responsibility in a way we don't always notice at first.
You have to feed them, walk them, take care of them every single day, no days off.
Right, that's a really good point, actually. It's not just about fun, it's also about looking after another living thing that fully depends on you. Exactly. What about you? Why do you love having Max specifically?
For me, I think it's the comfort mostly, but also the routine. He kind of keeps my day structured. Morning walk, evening walk, feeding times. Without him, I think my days would feel a bit empty.
That's lovely, honestly. I think that's why so many people have pets. They bring comfort, structure, and happiness, all in one small furry package.
Furry package, I like that. I completely agree, though. A house feels different with a pet in it, don't you think? It feels more alive somehow.
Yes, more alive and a bit louder sometimes too.
True, especially with a big dog like Max.
Fair point. But honestly, I wouldn't change it for anything.
Me neither.
So, do you have a pet? Or maybe you want one?
Tell us in the comments. We'd really love to know.
Okay, now let's move into speaking practice with Rachel.
Hi everyone! Welcome to Speaking Practice with Rachel. Today, we're picking up some useful phrases from the pet conversation you just heard. Here's how this works. For each phrase, first say it out loud together with me, slowly. Then repeat after me 3 times with normal speed. Ready? Let's start. First phrase. Take him for a walk. Take him for a walk. We use this when we talk about walking a dog outside for exercise or fresh air. For example, I take him for a walk every morning and every evening. This is the most common way to talk about walking a dog in English. Try saying it with me slowly first. Take him for a walk. Repeat after me. Take him for a walk. Again. Take him for a walk. One more time. Take him for a walk. Next phrase. She's very playful. She's very playful. We use this to describe a pet, usually young, who loves to play a lot with toys or people. For example, when she's awake, she's very playful. She loves small toys. This is a common way to describe an active pet's personality. Try saying it with me slowly first. She's very playful. Repeat after me. She's very playful. Again. She's very playful. One more time. She's very playful. Next phrase. She chases toys around. She chases toys around. We use this to describe a pet running after something, like a toy, quickly and excitedly. For example, she'll chase them around the living room for ages. This describes a common playful behavior in cats and dogs. Try saying it with me slowly first. She chases toys around. Repeat after me. She chases toys around. Again. She chases toys around. One more time. She chases toys around. Next phrase. He's great with kids. He's great with kids. We use this to describe a pet that is gentle, safe, and friendly around children. For example, he's great with people, kids especially. This is a really common phrase when people describe a family dog. Try saying it with me slowly first. He's great with kids. Repeat after me. He's great with kids. Again. He's great with kids. One more time. He's great with kids. Next phrase. Feed him twice a day. Feed him twice a day. We use this to describe how often we give a pet food during the day. For example, I feed him twice a day, once in the morning, once in the evening. This is a simple, everyday phrase about pet care. Try saying it with me slowly first. Feed him twice a day. Repeat after me. Feed him twice a day. Again. Feed him twice a day. One more time. Feed him twice a day. Next phrase. She sleeps a lot. She sleeps a lot. We use this to describe an animal, especially a cat, that spends a large part of the day sleeping. For example, she sleeps a lot, maybe 14 hours a day. This phrase is really common when people talk about their cats. Try saying it with me slowly first. She sleeps a lot. Repeat after me. She sleeps a lot. Again. She sleeps a lot. One more time. She sleeps a lot. Okay, that's 6 phrases for today. Now here's your challenge. Pick one phrase from today and use it in your own sentence in the comments. Tell me about your pet using one of these phrases. For example, my dog's name is Max. I feed him twice a day, and he loves to sleep on my lap. We'll be reading your comments, so don't be shy. Thanks for practicing with me. We'll see you in the next episode. Bye!